Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, Degenerate Garage. You know who it is, me, Nick, coming at you live from the shop. Unfortunately, we got some rain coming up this week, which they scrubbed Saturday's race. But lucky for us, Fruitland's opening up for practice tonight, Friday night. Obviously, I was gonna use tonight to prep for tomorrow. We almost got everything ready to roll, so I'm gonna throw everything in a trailer and we'll see you at the track. They say early bird gets the worm. We're damn near the first ones here. They're rolling track, get some moisture on it, so we might have a fun night. Obviously we got Bubba's Karting Concepts tires all ready to rock and roll, so we can figure out what's gonna be fast. I want to thank everybody, man. We hit 1,000 subscribers the other day. I think it was yesterday. Thank you. It's awesome. It's a cool feeling. We had a goal, we got there, so more goals ahead of us. Gonna keep getting faster and keep rolling. Thanks for all the support. Thanks for tuning in. Today's goals, we got Lily coming out. Jackson's bringing her cart, so hopefully we can get both of us on track and try to get some more speed out of her. I only brought the box stock. We're gonna be taking the Victor Peters off. We got the KSR. It's been refreshed. We're gonna throw that on there, and we're gonna try to crack some mid-10s. I don't know if the track's gonna cooperate with us today, but whatever we got to do, this test and tune, we got 4 hours. We're gonna figure it out. So I just threw everything in this trailer, as you can see. I had tonight to get everything ready. You know, everybody waits for the last minute, so found out at work, left decent time, so threw it all in there and get this unpacked, get set up, and we'll see what we got tonight. We're gonna have fun. Say no more. Thanks for watching. All right, we got the cart tore down, changed the fuel lines, everything else, waiting on Mark to get here with the motor. Probably could have done a little more and prep, but we worked on the factor. Like I said, we got Lily coming out here for some practice tonight in her 32. What's up, Lily? You want to tell me about your cart?
I like my cart and I want to race it.
You want to go fast?
I want to go fast.
She wants to go fast. She's working with some premium Pursuit slack cart here. I don't know the lingo here, but they say it's pretty fast.
2023 Slack Pursuit.
2023 Slack Pursuit. It's sharp, I know that much. It's nicer than mine. Wish I had a rich dad.
Oh, no, rich. Working out of a van.
All right, we got some carts about to go out on the track. Like I said, I still got some prep work going on, but we got a couple hours. Track actually looks really good. They prepped pretty good this week, preparing it for tomorrow. Unfortunately, we're getting some rain, so I'm happy we get to get some laps on it tonight. So. We're back to our old KSR ways. We got everything bolted up. Still got about 2 hours left from track, so we get suited up. We're gonna go ahead and give it a run. Sounds good. Got a new fuel line run. Marked, I'd say 3 or 4 pulls on the fire up, but I think he knows what he's doing, more than I do anyway. So we get suited up, we'll throw this camera on the helmet and go throw some laps. Sounded good, felt good. Just the throttle linkage came off once or twice. Not sure if you could notice that or if I even recorded, but we're going back out. We get a good session and throw some laps. We made a gearing change and threw a little softer tire on. It's slick out there. Track's coming in, it's good. My man here got him a nice new shirt. Let's see the shirt. He said it made him faster. I don't know. It's not making me faster.
You're not wearing it.
I'm not wearing it. That's a good point. It's fun. Track's coming in. We got a low car count tonight, so we're gonna go out there. Just kind of trying to get this motor to turn over inch it in. We ran 6,700 RPMs and threw another tooth at it. Easy day, like I said, the first one. It's fun. I'll see how many carts we got there. Probably have more than the last time, so. Duck, dodge, dip, I don't know. See you on the track. Motor's been running great. Threw some gear at it, went up more and more, 6,800 RPM. Track's still a little loose, just a little bit of a groove you can get down on. Those Vegas kind of fell off. We ran, I think, 30, 35 laps. So put the maxes on it. We're gonna go for the last little run. Hoorah, I think they'll give us 20 minutes. I'll probably spend half of that out there, but it's been a smile, so it's always fun. You know, that kid comes out of you, you just want to race around in a circle, right? I don't know. Just be out there. that was fun, something different. I had fun. I don't know how good it was or fun to watch. We had fun out there. Tried a bunch of different things, went back and forth, some Maxis, some Vegas, played with some gearing. Like I said, we broke in the new fresh built KSR. Thanks again, Mark. Thank you. It's got a new crank, pistons. It's fully worked over, so she sounds great. She feels good all the way around the track. I can't wait to be on a track that's completely gripped up, but we can see how she really digs and bites down. We were running some decent laps out there, but you can see it's slick and bumpy coming out of 4. But I said it earlier, I had a smile on my face the whole time. Thanks for watching. Again, appreciate everybody. 1,000 subscribers, that's cool as shit. So until next time, next week we're at Callahan FKS Series Stop 2. Jackson and I are only going to run the crate, so we're going to buddy up the cart in my trailer and head up to North Jacksonville and try to take care of business up there again and stay up top that point setup. So pretty good crowd, is what it is. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.